people who are above 18 and are together with consent of each other in any situation, they're sitting, talking, or they're entering a hotel, is this illegal?
No, it's not. It's completely legal. It's your constitutional right. No one can moral police you on that. I've seen few of the videos also. Even I've seen complaints also where police try to moral, ऐसे बैठ नहीं सकते, हाँ तुम घूम नहीं सकते हो, मेरे मॉम डैड को फोन लगाइए ऐसे.
Right.
It's completely illegal. In this case, I would just advise those couples, just see who is the officer.
Okay.
Take the name of the officer. That's it.
Fair.
Don't argue. क्या करना है करने दो. Later on, file a complaint against that officer. See, police है ना, police fear about the uniform.
पुलिस को अपनी वर्दी का डर होता है.
डर होता है.
ठीक है, हाँ, सही.
So if you put even one complaint against that police officer, that will hamper his career. And no police want this. There could be a departmental inquiry also. And on records, if there's a departmental inquiry, it's bad for his promotions. Right? And this falls everywhere. So in your question, yes, this is your constitutional right. Even if you're in a hotel also, both are adults.
Yeah.
And with your consent. No one can barge in your hotel and ask you and moral police you.
क्योंकि ये होता है मॉरल पुलिसिंग तो अपने यहाँ तो बहुत ही है. आपने हाथ पकड़ लिया तो प्रॉब्लम हो गई, आप साथ में बैठ के खा पी रहे हो तो प्रॉब्लम है, आप वॉक कर रहे हो तो प्रॉब्लम है, होटल रूम में चेक इन कर लिया और शादी नहीं करा तो बहुत ही बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. Like everybody is going to
there is harassment.
Yeah, everybody is going to judge you at all the levels, right? तो वो इंसान जो इसमें हेल्ड अप हो गया वो क्या करे? उसका पुलिस ऑफिसर का चलो आपने बोला नाम ले लिया, बट अभी तो वो आपको पकड़ के लेके जाएगा और आपके माँ बाप को फोन करेगा.
First step, don't get panic. Be calm. The more you get panic, the more you get exploited completely. बिल्कुल panic नहीं होना है. Secondly, everyone have a weapon nowadays. That is a smartphone. Open up your smartphone, start recording. It's your personal space. Start recording. Who is harassing you and all? Start recording. No one can take your phone also.
So can the police take our phone?
They cannot. Police cannot search you also. Police cannot take any of your goods also. Nothing.
They can't physically search us?
No, unless you have a warrant. And if they have a suspicion that something you've been possessed of something, anything illegal things, but that also required a warrant.
We experience police guys, lawyers telling the client to तुम्हें ये करना ही नहीं चाहिए था. Is it the framework?
No, it's not. No one is allowed to comment, or even if a lawyer also. What happened with you, he should focus on that. What crime, what offenses happened in your case, he should focus on that, not to correct you. That's everyone's personal choice, whether going out late night, everything. Law protects you 24/7. That doesn't mean 12 के बाद law मुझे protect नहीं करेगा. Normally कहते हैं. So it's responsibility of the department to ensure the safety. Be it a man, be it a woman. It's their responsibility.